Yes. So, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Axis Group. So, this is a women's empowerment program. Under this, we are discussing a platform called Tally Prime. Okay. Now we are discussing about a session two. The name of the session is the accounting cycle. Okay. Accounting cycle. As usually, every day we will start our class with fact of the day. Are you people able to see me? The video is there. My video is there. Are you people able to see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So the fact of the day is no two things have been combined together better than a knowledge and a patience. Knowledge and a patience. No two things have been combined together better than knowledge and a patience. So nowadays, if you go back to 20th century or if you go back to 15 years, 20 years back, hard work, trust, these are the assets and earnings. He's a very hardworking guy. He's a honest guy. Please improve his salaries and all these things. But now in this century, in this period of 2020, so honesty, hard work, these things are not there in the picture now. Okay, here the currency, we can say the currency is the knowledge is the currency. Knowledge is the currency. So if you have the knowledge, you can earn the money. So everything is on a mouse click, right? So smart things are going on. So there is no hard work now. There is no meaning for the hard work. Be smart. Do smart work. As well as always have a patience in your life. Don't be panic. Don't be hurry. So the patience should be there always in your life. So without patience, it's not possible to reach your goal. Always when you are working towards a goal, you will face any challenges. So have a patience, apply your concept, apply your knowledge, and move forward. So this is about a fact of the day. Next, what is our learning objectives today? What we are learning today? So we are learning today types of businesses which we already discussed in the previous class, but there's just some confusions are there in the class. That's why again we restarted these classes. Okay. Learning objective is try to please be in the class because I can't escape the screen every time. Try to be on the class. Okay. So types of businesses, and we will discuss. We'll try to understand and we try to learn nature of activity and the objective. Okay. Next thing is we are trying to learn types of businesses. In that, one of the business is called as a trading business. So here we'll discuss accounting cycle for the trading business and the use of the statements in the trading business. Third point is a subsidiary book, a kind of subsidiary books, and what are the uses of the books we will discuss in this chapter. But there will be a separate chapter for the subsidiary books. We are not going inside of the subsidiary books today. Just we are understanding what is a subsidiary book, in which step it will come in between subsidiary books. Okay, so the second one, third, fourth topic is a non-trading business. What is the meaning of non-trading business? What is the accounting cycle of a non-trading business, and what are the uses of statements which are prepared in the non-trading business? And fifth topic is a manufacturing business. So in here, as usual, accounting cycle for the manufacturing business and the statement prepared in the next. Here we are in the same session. We are giving you the comparative cycles. Means what is the difference between the trading and the non-trading? What is the difference between the manufacturing and the trading, non-trading? So we are trying to compare these three accounting cycles. We are trying to understand what is the difference between these accounting cycles. Okay. So, and the vocabulary is means here we are not learning this accounting as a subject. As we discussed before, we are learning a language of the business. We are learning the language of the business. So when you are learning a language, you must know the meaning of each and every word, because word will change situation to situation, time to time the meanings will change. Okay, this is the learning objective. Is there anyone who can repeat this, either Jabar or Aisha? Sorry, the Jabar or Saishta, can you help out our students to repeat these learning objectives, please? Just read out, Saishta. These are the communication classes, so every student has to participate. This is the way of learning.
So what are the learning objectives? The main aim of these is first is we need to know about types of business and the nature of activity and its objectives. Next is in the types of business we have three types like trading. We have already learned trading business, non trading business, and manufacturing business. All these have accounting cycles and their statements. Okay, every business have their own cycle and have their own statements. We need to understand that. And then what are subsidiary books and what are the kinds in it and what are the use of these subsidiary books. We are going to learn this in this. And then next comes comparative cycle. What is comparative cycle? It is comparing each and every business. As we have three business like trading business, non-trading business, and manufacturing business. What is the difference in them and how we can compare them and how we can analyze them and how we can prepare statements on it. So these things we are going to learn in further classes with the help of sir. Please go ahead what you are understanding with these learning objectives.
Thank you, Saishta. Let's continue. So, type of businesses. Okay, so first one is the trading business and non-trading business and the manufacturing business, as we discussed before, right? So here, what is the meaning of trading business? We discussed again. I am trying to re-explain these concepts. Okay, so the trading business means this is our business place B. This is our business place B here. So there are two to three parties involved in the trading business. What we are doing, what we are trying to understand by this diagram. See, this is our place business. So always as a accountant, you need to think you are the business. First, we are the business. Don't think we are the owner, we are the employee, we are the accountant, we are the no. Always accountant has to think I am the business. So what you are you doing now here to understand the trading business? Here we are trying to understand, this is our business place B. We are buying a finished product. Keep in the mind. Okay, this is the area you people have bit confusion. That's why some of the nature of businesses are, classified or analyzed in a wrong way. Okay, so here we are buying from whom? From the vendor. Vendor means from whom we are buying the goods. We can say is a supplier to us, or we can say is a sundry creditor to us. This is the language, right? So we are buying from the vendor and we are selling to the customer. Sometimes when we are buying a finished goods and we are selling to the customer, that is called as a trading business. Means what I am trying to explain here, there must be a finished product. The trading business means, trading means buying and selling. What you are doing, what you are buying and what you are selling, the whatever it may be the product, but that should be a ready made product. That will be a finished product. Okay, so here trading business means the business where we will buy the goods or we will buy the finished product and will sell to the customer. Why we are doing this? Why we are buying and why we are selling? To obviously to earn the profit. Obviously, the objective of the trading business to earn the profit. So, what is the meaning of profit? What is the meaning of profit? What is the meaning of profit? Anyone, please, can explain? Profit means, Aisha, are you there?
Excess
So,
of income over the expenditure.
excess of income over the expenditure. That's the meaning. Okay. So here we are buying one pen for 10 rupees and we are selling for 12 rupees. The 12 rupees is our
Selling.
selling price, right? Selling
Selling
price,
price.
that is our profit, right, Farah?
Mm.
Yes, correct. What is our
Two
profit?
rupees is profit.
Okay, only 2 rupees is our profit. Okay, so
Yes.
profit means, the definition is, profit means excess of income over the expenditure. Excess of income over the expenditure. So, what is the meaning of income? What is income? Now Shaista came to me and she given me 50,000 rupees. She told me, sir, please take it. That will be my income. Shaista came to me and she given me 50,000 rupees. Is that my income? Hello?
No. No.
No one's there in the class?
Can you hear me? No.
Yes, yes, please go ahead. I asked. She came and she given me 50,000 rupees. That is my income or not?
So we should also know the motive behind the business. Like that, we have to know the motive behind my giving. What is
Motive,
the motto of giving you?
motto.
As you said, the major reason we
Okay.
have to identify.
So,
So, what is the major reason of giving you
yes,
50,000?
yes.
We have to know that.
Okay. There are two words she used. First word is a motive, second word is a reason. These are the two English words. Our language is different, right? Our language is a business language. So she should ask the nature and the transaction. What is the nature of transaction? This is you have to talk. Aisha, Shaisha, always try to talk in business language from now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So if Shaista paid fee to me 50,000 rupees, sir, this is my fees I am paying. Okay. So that is my income. And Shaista paid first 50,000 rupees, that may be a gift, that may be a donation or a charity, but that is not fees. That is not my income. That is not my income because fee is only my income. That may be a loan, that may be a grant, right? Why the only fees is our income? Income means, the definition it's saying here, amount earned against product or service. I am providing classes, she is paying fee to me, that is only my income. So always what amount you received, every amount what you received is not income.
Yes,
Then your
sir.
profit will be very high and okay, a lot of things will happen. Always for every receipt there will be a proper nature. Okay, so here we are trying to understand the meaning of profit. So we come across two more words, income and expenditure. Now income is clear. Anyone have doubt?
Mm.
All of you, please participate in the class.
No. No doubt, sir.
No doubt. So now, what is the meaning of expenditure? What is the meaning
Amount
of
incurred over.
Yes, bolo.
Amount incurred over the product or service.
Amount incurred
Again.
over the product or
Again.
service. Anyone else offering?
Amount incurred, amount incurred to make a product
That's
or
service.
to give service.
Okay. Offering. Hello. Hi, I'm in the class. Okay. I'm in the office here. You can come in. No problem. You can take rest. Okay. I will continue after class. So here, what is the meaning of expenditure offering? Please.
Expenditure.
Yes.
Expenditure. Um,
So
expend.
I will
We
try to
are
explain. Okay. Now I given a party, my birthday party to all my students. That will be a expenditure or not?
Yes.
That will be the expenditure, as Aisha said. Anyone, please? Anyone? Saista, Mariam, Jabar, anyone, please? Okay. So here, our focus. I told you, people always think you are the business. You are the business. You are the business. Any amount spent, any amount received, whether we need to check whether incidental to the business or not. The amount spent to provide the services to the customers or to buy the product, only take it as expense. My birthday party, I spend the money from the business. That is not a business expenditure. That will be my
Personal
personal
expenditure.
expense. That should not be part of your business expenses. So here expenditure meaning is amount incurred to make a product or to provide a service. Is it very clear? So there is no personal expenses will be form part of profit analysis. So profit means income related to the business, expenditure related to the business only, our profit. If you receive any other amount, that is not your income. If you spend for any other purpose other than the business, it is your not a expenditure. Now, I will try to give you one more examples. I am paying rent. I am paying rent of my home as well as I am paying rent of my office. Both I am paying from my company account. But here, the rent of my home is not a business expenditure. That is my personal expenditure, right?
Personal.
That is not a business expenditure. But office rent is business expenditure. Try to understand. So, what is the objective of discussing this point means we are to become an accountant. After becoming an accountant, you will write the expenses of a owner or you will write the transactions of a business. Always try to try the transaction of the business. Okay, so here the objective of the trading business to earn the profit. The profit means excess of income over the expenditure. Income means amount earned against the product or service. Expenditure means amount incurred. Incurred means spent. Okay, to make a product or to provide a service. Clear trading business. Any doubts now for the trading business? Arshia, please. Arshia, right? Arshia is there, right? Try to note down these notes. You need to prepare the notes also. Okay, Arshia, you understood trading business?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now come to the non-trading business. Non means which language we are discussing. We are discussing what we are discussing, we are learning what, which language we are learning.
Okay.
We are learning the language of the business. Okay, why I'm stressing on this word non? If you go to a restaurant, if you use the word naan, immediately the waiter will ask, sir, plain naan or butter naan? See the same word. In the restaurant, naan means different. Naan means different. But in language of the business, non-trading means no trading. Trading means buying a finished product and selling a finished product is considered as a trading business. The second type of business is a non-trading business. So here non-trading business is what is our you know activity. What is our activity here? Providing services. Sometimes we can 100% we can provide the services. If you take here our example of our own institute, we are not selling any product, but yes, we are providing an educational training, or we are providing a computer training courses, right, to the students. If I am teaching, I am the owner of the institute, I am teaching, so there is no service provider for me. But if come to an ACCA, our faculty, Mr. Jabar, using a Axis brand to provide the services to our students, right? Who is Jabar here? He is a service provider. And who is the receiver here? Student is the receiver. So here also we are buying and we are selling, but not the product. Here we are buying services of Jabber and we are selling to the students. Agreed or no? All of you students.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the non-trading business? What we are doing in the non-trading business? Anyone please respond.
Buy- Buying and selling of services.
Buying and selling of the services or providing services. Sometimes every case we will not buy the services. Sometimes our own we are providing services, right? So the objective of the non-trading business is to develop the society. Objective of the non-trading business is to develop the society. Clear? Any doubts? This is a previous class. Still we are discussing, rediscussing again the presentation to make you more clear understanding of the activities involved in these businesses. So manufacturing business, see here there is a vendor, here also customer. Like compared to the trading business, everything is same. The chart is looking same. But here in between we added one word called factory. In the trading business, the condition is it should be a finished product. It should be a finished product. But in the manufacturing business, we will buy the raw material. What is the nature of, what is the activity of the manufacturing business? The activity involved in the manufacturing business is we will buy the raw material from the vendor, we will process and we'll make a finished goods and we'll sell to the customer. This is the process. What is the difference between the trading business and the manufacturing business? In the trading business, we are buying a finished product. But in the manufacturing business, we are buying a raw material, we are doing process, and we are selling a finished product to the customer. We can take an example, right? We'll take an example is we taken a chicken, we taken rice. We are what we are calling chicken. We are calling it as rice and all the ingredients like masalas, right? All these things will buy and will process, will cook. After cooking, that is called as a finished goods. That is called as a finished product. That is called as a biryani, right? So here, see the before becoming a finished goods, the nature and the names are different. We will call it as a chicken. We'll call it as a rice. We'll call it as a ingredients. But after doing the process, completion of the process, we are calling it as biryani. So here the nature and the name both has to change. Then only that is called as a manufacturing business. If you bring a Coke in a big jar, and you are putting like you are serving in the glasses, in the bottles, or you are repacking into the small bottles. That is not the business, because the nature is not changed. From the big jar, that is cola, and in the small bottle, that is also cola. You are repacking that. Repacking activity is not a manufacturing. Clear? The objective of the trading business to earn the profit. So how the profit will come here, right? Excess income. What is the income? Is sale. The sale amount what you are receiving in the business is your income. That is 12 dirhams. And the purchase is expense. 12 minus 10, 2 dirhams, 2 rupees is only your profit. Hope this presentation helped to clear the confusion. Now, please try to repeat one by one these nature of businesses. Farha, first start with Farha. Always a practice to start with Farah, end with Shaista. Okay, please, Farah, try to explain.
Businesses are three types.
Very
That
good.
trading business, non-trading business, and manufacturing business. Trading business means buying and selling of finished products. It's called trading business. In that trading business, we earn profit. Profit means income over the expenditure, over excess of income over the expenditure. Non non-trading business, buying and selling of services. Manufacturing business means ra- purchasing raw materials and then making finished products and selling the product and services. That is called manufacturing business. In that manufacturing business, it is also done by doing for to earn profit.
Okay, are you able to see my screen, right? Everyone able to see my PPT presentation is right, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please. Next. Who is next?
Myself, Afrin.
Yes, please.
So this is what is trading business. We are buying from the vendor and selling to the customer, and the product is a finished product. Buying and selling a finished product is called a trading business, and the objective of this trading business is to earn the profit. And come to the non-trading business. In this trading business, we are buying from the provider and selling, and this is a service. Sometimes we buy and sell, sometimes we do only the service. So this is about the non-trading business. And then is the uh, manufacturing business. In this business, we are buying from the vendor and then taking raw materials, and the process is going on. We are making a finished goods and selling to the customer. And the main objective of this business is to earn the profit. Thank you.
Okay, who is next?
Why, sir?
Yes, Aisha, please.
Yeah, we are going to study three types of businesses. The first one is trading business. In the trading business, we are buying the finished product from the vendor and selling the same finished product to the customer. This is known as trading business, and the objective is to earn the profit. And here we come across the three words like profit we have, income and expenditure. So let's see what is profit. Profit means excess of income over the expenditure, and second is income. So income is the amount earned against the product or a service, and expenditure is the amount incurred to make a product or to provide a service. So this is about the trading business. And the second one is non-trading business. Non-trading businesses, we are directly selling the services from the provider to the receiver or directly to the receiver. And here the objective is to develop the society. Third one is the manufacturing business. In this manufacturing business, we are buying the raw materials from the vendor, and after undergoing the process, we are selling the finished product to the customer. So this is known as manufacturing business, and the objective is same to earn the profit. Thank you, sir.
Next. Thank you, Aisha.
There are three types of business: trading and non-trading and manufacturing business. Trading business, the main aim is to earn profit. In this, vendor is there and customer is there. We buy and sell the product, finished products in trading business. Next, in non-trading business, there is a provider and the receiver. We buy and sell services in non-trading business. And the main aim of non-trading business is to develop the society. Next is manufacturing business. In manufacturing business, there is vendor and customer. Here, the raw material is purchased and the processing is done, and it is sold to customers. And the main aim of this manufacturing is to earn profit.
Next, Mariam.
Yes, sir. Businesses are of three types. First one is trading business. In trading business, there's a buying and selling of goods. That is, we'll purchase from the vendor and directly it will be sold to the customer. And the objective of this business is to earn profit. And next is the non-trading business, where this business is for providing services, and the main objective of this business is providing services. And the next is manufacturing business. In manufacturing business, we'll directly purchase the raw material and convert it into finished goods, and then it can be sold. The objective of this business is earning profit.
Okay, Arshia.
Yes, sir. In this, we have three businesses like trading, non-trading, and manufacturing. First of all, trading business. Trading business means buying and selling products to vendor, and from we are buying from vendor and selling to customer to earn profit. Next is non-trading. In this, we will buy product from provider and we will sell to receivers. So in this, objective is to develop the society. This is called non-trading. Manufacturing business is we are taking from vendors raw materials and we are selling to customers. In this, also the object is to earn profit. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Arshia, and thank you, everyone. Is there anyone left? All are done, right? Any doubts for anyone? Please, you can ask me. Okay. So there is small break because this link will maybe will expire. We'll send you the fresh link. Take a 5 minutes break. Okay. Then revise it. Taking a break means going and having a breakfast and teas and not that one, right? Taking a small break to analyze what you people are understanding. Take a small break and come back to me. So I will share you the fresh link. Okay. So the next topic is this is what we discussed before in the previous session. Okay, we invested 30 minutes on this, no problem. So learning is important. Okay, learning is important, understanding is important. So if you people is trying to explain me means yes, our classes are going very useful. You people are participating and trying to explain something. that will boost us to put more efforts. And see you after 5-10 minutes. Thank you very much. So welcome back. Okay. So we discussed the trading business. We discussed the trading business. So are you able to see the screen? PPT? Everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Thank you. It's looking full screen, right? So yeah. Let me start presenting. Present again. Okay. I think now okay, right? Now we are trying to understand. Now we are going to discuss the accounting cycle for the trading business. Here, the objective of the trading business to earn the profit or loss. So how the owner can know whether there is a profit or loss, right? That means we need to record the transactions, right? There are 5 steps or 6 steps or 7 steps are there to understand that the objective of the business is we are reaching or not, right? So we understood here the objective is to earn the profit. Whether there is a profit or not, how can you know? To know whether there is a profit or not, we need to follow certain steps. We need to follow certain steps. So that is called those steps are called as accounting cycle. Why we are calling it as a cycle? Cycle means it will rotate, right? It will, which will rotate. That is called as a cycle. So these steps will repeat every year, every day basis. That's why we are calling this as a accounting cycle. The step one is journal. स्टेप वन क्या है अकाउंटिंग साइकिल फॉर द ट्रेडिंग बिजनेस का? स्टेप वन क्या है?
Journal.
जर्नल. स्टेप टू इज लेडजर. स्टेप टू इज लेडजर. प्लीज पार्टिसिपेट एवरीवन. फॉर स्टेप वन journal. Step 2
Journal.
ledger. Step 3
Ledger.
step 3 is the
Journal.
trial balance. Step 3 is the trial balance. From that trial balance we will prepare trading account, profit and loss account and the balance sheet. Trading account, profit and loss account and the balance sheet. This is the accounting cycle for the trading business. What is the accounting cycle? Step 1
Journal.
step 2
Ledger.
step 3
Trial balance.
Step 4 is trading and account, profit and loss account and the balance sheet. And in between step 1 and step 2 you need to prepare subsidiary books. Every year will start with journal, ends with the balance sheet. Year starts with journal, ends with the balance sheet. It is a process for the 1 year. First we'll prepare the journal. After journal is completed, then we'll prepare the ledger. See the link. There is a link. From the journal only ledger will prepare. So only one time you need to work hard to prepare the journal. Then copy paste. Then copy paste. This is a simple subject if you understand. This is a simple subject if you understand. So where we will work, only we will work at the time of journal. Step 2 ledger, trial balance, trading and profit balance sheet and the profit and loss account and balance sheet. Farah, can you revise these steps?
Accounting cycle means step by step method to, to prepare the accounts. First, you have to enter the journal entries, that is in journal. And then after preparing ledgers, posting the entries into ledger. Uh, After the balance of ledgers, posting to trial balance, then prepare trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. This is the accounting cycle. And
Okay. So everyone clear? Next is we'll try to understand what is the purpose of preparing these journals, ledgers, and all these steps. These week accounts or statement or book or what we are preparing. What is the purpose? Because we promised our management that we will submit whether there is a profit or loss in the business. That's for that to reach that objective, whether we are reaching or not, to check that objective, we are following these steps. In the step one, journal, we will come down. First, we will understand why we will prepare the balance sheet. What is the purpose of preparing the balance sheet? Okay, by preparing the
balance
balance
sheet.
sheet, we are understanding whether what is the financial position of the business. What is the financial position of the business? To know the financial position of the business. So, which factors deciding the financial position? अभी सब ग्रुप में सहिष्ठा is a richest girl or a poor girl? सहिष्ठा रिच है, poor है?
Don't know.
No one knows. Okay, Aisha, you're a rich. You're rich or you're poor or you're medium? Aisha is not there. Just we don't want
For
the
that, we have to know the financial
No,
position.
sir, here.
yeah. So how can we decide? So I don't have any liability. I have buildings. I have cars. Oh, the sir's financial position is good, right? Or otherwise, assets नहीं है ना, building है ना, घर है, कुछ भी नहीं है, पीछे इतने सारे loans है. If you have the loans, then your financial position is not good. So the business, what is the financial position of the business? Is a good position or a bad
Prepare the
position?
balance sheet.
Assets are more than the liabilities. Two assets, one liability. Okay, the financial position is very good. Three liabilities, one asset. The financial position is bad because assets are less than the liabilities. Liabilities are more than the assets. Two assets, two liabilities. The financial position is average. But if the commerce student can understand, every balance has to tally. Balance sheet has to tally both the side. It has to show the same figure, right? So every business is an average business. So our target is not to analyze. That's the where accounting ends, finance will start. Finance people will understand. So our duty as a accountant to tally the balance sheet. Tally the balance sheet. We need to make it assets equals to liabilities. Okay. So balance sheet, by preparing the balance sheet, what we are understanding the financial position of the business. Which factors deciding the financial position? Assets and liabilities are deciding the financial position. So what is the meaning of asset? What is the meaning of asset? Asset means now you people are assets? No, no. I am the asset. Mr. Jabbar is the asset. Remaining everyone in this, all other girls are who are there in this room, all are liabilities. Means the responsibilities. लाइबिलिटी मीन्स व्हाट ऑब्लिगेशन था, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, शादी करना, भेज
Obligation.
लेना, ये पूरा ऑब्लिगेशन रहता था. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, बच्ची को एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बोल के देखते, कई को कमाने भी नहीं भेजते, घर में बिठा के सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज रहती जब तक. सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ असेट? द रेवेन्यू जनरेटिंग प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द बिजनेस. जो रेवेन्यू मीन्स जो कमाते बोलना असेट है, बाकी के पूरे लाइबिलिटी है फैमिली में. बोझ है। अब बच्चे भी आजकल कमा रहे हैं ना, पढ़ रहे कर रहे, पढ़ने के बाद जावा नहीं मिल रहे, लाइबिलिटीज लॉन्ग टर्म लाइबिलिटी बनकर रह जा रहे। बच्चियां स्टेप फॉरवर्ड कर रहे, जॉब्स कर रहे। यू पीपल आर द इंस्पिरेशन, राइट? सो नाउ यू पीपल आर taking step to become an asset, to become an asset to the family. So asset means the revenue generating property of the business. Liability means obligation and the responsibility of the business, means loan repay करना है, जिम्मेदारी है। Credit पे purchase करें, that's there is a responsibility we need to pay. Are you people are getting? Why we will prepare the balance sheet? To know the financial position of the business. Which factors deciding the financial position? Assets and liabilities.
Liability.
Yes. Assets means revenue generating property of the business. Liability means the obligation, the responsibility of the business. Clear? Everyone clear? ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं करेगा कोई भी? Please.
Clear.
Very good. Now we will try to understand why we are preparing the profit and loss account. We are understanding, we are trying to understand. काम करने से पहले मालूम रहना क्यों कर रहे हैं, right? Before trying to prepare the statement, my objective is to, you must know what you are doing, why you are doing, okay? Why you are doing and what are you doing. Bagair iske there is no meaning, right? So here profit and loss account, we are preparing to know the net profit or net loss of the business. Net profit or net loss of the business, मतलब profit or loss of the business. What is the meaning of net profit, net loss? Net profit or loss is equal to profit or loss of the business. मतलब there are two types of profits in the business. One is the profit on the product, one is the profit on the product, second one is the profit of the business. In a trading business, we need to prepare a trading account. In a trading business, we need to prepare a trading account to know the gross profit. See, understand the terminology in the trading account. The profit means income and expenditure, right? So in the trading account, we are calling it as a gross profit. Gross profit means profit or loss on the product. Profit or loss on the product. यहाँ पे बता रहे नीचे. This is for the business. So if we revise balance sheet to know the financial position, profit and loss account to know the profit or loss of the business, trading account to know the profit or loss of the product. Clear? जो प्रोडक्ट ला रहे, बेच रहे, उसमें प्रॉफिट है नहीं है. Not only product, there are other various expenses are there. Office expenses, salaries are there, petrol is there, fuel is there, stationery is there, lot of other expenses are coming. So first step, whether the product is in profit or not. Next, okay sir, product is in the profit. Then come to understand what is the profit of the business. In the trading business, two profits. Gross profit means profit on the product. Net profit means profit on the business. Clear? Anyone? Any doubt? Any doubt? Please respond. No doubt, right? Okay. Next is a trial balance. Trial balance. Why we are preparing the trial balance, sir? What is the use of preparing the trial balance? Here we are preparing the trial balance to know the arithmetical accuracy of the business. Arithmetical accuracy means 2 plus 2 is equals to कितना आना?
4.
4 आना. But student life में क्या होता था और पर्सनल लाइफ में क्या होता, कभी कभी आप हमारे पुराने दोस्त थे, एक 50 साल 25 साल पुराने दोस्त, 50 साल बोले तो फिर वो बहुत बहुत पीछे चले जाता, उतने पुराने दोस्ता नहीं है हमारे किसके भी. ओके, सो 25-20 ईयर्स बैक के दोस्त अचानक फोन करे, बोले कि कल 5 बजे मैं मिलने आ रहा हूँ. इतनी खुशी हो गई कि जहां भी देखे अपने वो क्या दिखता, 5 ही दिखता है नहीं. So उसमें what we will feel sometimes if you see the watch, it's 6 o'clock but it will look like 5 o'clock, and there is a chance of distraction. 2 plus 2 is equal to, there is a chance that accountant will regard it as 5. That is called a clerical error, mistake. Intentional and unintentional, there may be a lot of reasons. Nowadays, the WhatsApp and the mobile is the biggest, the reason of distraction or where we are losing an arithmetical accuracy of the business. So, how we are checking the arithmetical accuracy? Whether there is a arithmetical accuracy is there, then you can prepare these statements. Trading and profit and loss account, balance sheet, P&L. When you will prepare, if the trial balance accurately prepared. So here by preparing the trial balance, we are preparing the trial balance to know the arithmetical accuracy of the business. Which factors deciding the arithmetical accuracy? Debit and credit. Debit and credit. Our subject is account. So account means in Indian scenario, we are preparing account in the form of T. In the form of T here. So this left hand side of account is called as credit, debit, and right hand side of account is called as credit. Means debit means an area, name given to an area. Like in a home, there is a bedroom, there is a hall, there is a kitchen, right? If you put your gas cylinder in the bedroom, you will accept? No, because there is a proper place is there. The name is there. Okay. So here in the accounting system also, there are two sides. There are two sides. One side is a debit, another side is a credit. That's it. Puri accounting mein there are two sides. If you are understand the debit and the credit, then khalas, the total accounting, you can do it. Now hope my students knows debit means a side. So sometimes if you ask a BCom or MBA student what is debit, they will start no debit the receiver, credit the giver, what comes in. I'm not asking the rule. I'm asking a simple question. What is the meaning of debit? Debit means a side. Left hand side of account is called as debit. The right hand side of account is called as credit. Clear? Any doubt? No doubt. Thank you. Next step is ledger. Ledger means it is a book. It is a book where the various accounts are open. Ledger is a book where the various accounts are open. Journal. Journal means it is a book where the daily transactions are recorded in the business. So the question goes to Saishta. What is the meaning of business?
Business is an economic activity which aims to earn profit.
Very good. So now we understand what is the meaning of business, right? What is the meaning of business? Now business means it is a place where the economic transactions are taken place बोले अपन, right? Economic transactions are taken place जहाँ पे transactions हो रहे that is called as a business. Then where we will record those transactions? So what are the transactions? Are sale, purchase, cash received, cash paid, cash deposited into the bank, salaries paid, rent paid. These all are the business transactions. These all are the business transactions. So here, these all are the business transactions. So where these transactions we need to record. Accounting is a historical data. Why we are doing accounts? Because human memories are not permanent. Human memories are not permanent. That's why accounting system came into the picture. One transaction is there. हर दिन सही स्टार मेरे को 50,000 देते हैं, मैं उनको देता हूँ. ऐसा है तो याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है. बट 6 महीने के बाद अब तक कितने पैसे दिए कैसा याद रहता? It's not possible for the human mind. That's why the books are there. That's why they used to record. But now now we are a computerized accounting system, right? Books रखे थे, there is a risk in the books. Books may be altered, books may be damaged, right? So there are a lot of reasons where the books can be, anything will happen, but in the computers there is no chance of. Okay. these things. So those transactions which are happening in the business, where we will record, where we will record, please,
In books of accounts.
we will record in the books of accounts.
Accounts.
Which book? Which book will record the transaction?
In journal.
Yes. The step one, the transactions, what is happening in the business, will record in journal. Then we will transfer
Yes.
those entries. We will transfer those entries to the ledger. How we will transfer means the chapter is over. That's what we are learning. How to prepare. Just we are trying to understand what is the purpose. Now we understand the journal. It is a book, one type of a book. It may be a single or a double book. No, not like that. The book is a separate book you will find if you go to a stationery shop. Ask to them to give a journal book. Then in the journal book you will find debit and credit, two columns. Okay. So here in the white book we are taking and we are drawing debit and credit. That's okay. But yes, properly there is a book before. Okay, you can find in the any stationery shop. But nowadays it is not available because everything is computerized. Now, step two, ledger. Ledger also a book. So journal entries, we will record the transactions in the form of entries in the journal. Then we will open a, every transaction have two accounts. We will open a various accounts in the ledger. We'll total it and we'll transfer to the trial balance to check the arithmetical accuracy. All the entries are recorded or not. All the calculations are done correct or not. All the classification is done correct or not. We'll check all these accuracies in the trial balance. Once the trial balance is tallied, then we can prepare the trading and profit and loss account and the balance sheet. Otherwise, no, don't prepare. Okay, now understood the trading accounting cycle for the trading business. All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's this start with non-commerce student Arshia. Please go ahead, explain the accounting cycle of the trading business. कुछ भी doubt है, problem नहीं है. All friends are there. I am here. Everyone, other faculty is here to help you people. Just I need a confidence. Mistakes, yes, learning from the mistakes. जब तक आप लोग बात नहीं करते, what's going on your mind, what's coming out from your mouth, and what hand is writing. We need a perfect in listening, speaking, and the writing. The objective of these classes, and we are requesting to participate to get the clarity and the confidence. If you speak, you will get the confidence. Otherwise, no. So please, Arshia, join it and explain what you understood.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Arshia, please.
Yes, sir. In this accounting cycle, we have three trading businesses like journal, ledger, and trailer balance.
No, no, wrong. Okay. ही अपन यहाँ पे अकाउंटिंग साइकिल फॉर ट्रेडिंग बिजनेस सीख रहे हैं. ओके, ट्रेडिंग बिजनेस का ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है अपना? व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द ट्रेडिंग बिजनेस? अर्शिया, व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव? क्यों कर रहे हैं ट्रेडिंग बिजनेस? टू एंड द प्रॉफिट. प्रॉफिट के लिए कर रहे हैं ना?
To earn the profit.
Whether there is a
Yes,
profit or loss, check करने के लिए we are preparing these books or we are following these steps. Right? These steps are for
Yes,
trading
sir.
business. These steps are for trading business.
Trading business.
Okay? कौन सा business के बारे में अपन discuss कर रहे हैं? We are discussing about
Trading business.
right. What is the step one?
Step 1 journal.
Step two?
Step 2 ledger. Step 3 trailer balance.
Trial balance. Okay, next.
Trial balance.
उसके बाद में next. Trading account.
We have trading account and profit and loss and balance sheet.
Very good. Balance sheet. Khalas. Okay, I will come back to you again after 5-10 minutes. After Sahishta, I will come back to you. Please practice. Okay, notes बनाना, try to write down, otherwise nothing. ये अभी सुनते easy दिखता आपने को, आगे आगे के दिखता, but when you try to understand without notes, you can't do anything. You take it as a war against a subject. So take all weapons, pencil, sharpener, rubber, calculator, books, सब रहना आपके पास. Okay, next step is Afrin, please explain. Afrin. Okay, I think she's not there.
Yes.
Okay, Afrin, बोलिए.
So this is about a accounting cycle. We have steps to follow the profit and loss
Accounting cycle
so
for
that
what?
we have
Accounting cycle,
accounting.
no, sorry. Accounting cycle for what? Which business? Accounting cycle for which business?
Sorry,
Accounting cycle for which business?
for trading business.
Very good.
Yeah, for trading business, we have three steps in this: journal, ledger, and the trial balance. And the fourth step is trading account, profit and loss account, and the balance sheet.
Okay.
So first step is journal. Journal, it is a book where the daily transactions are recorded, and the ledger, it is also a book where the various accounts are opening, and the trial balance is to know the arithmetic accuracy of the business, like debit equal to credit. And account have debit and credit. Left hand side is the debit and the right hand side is the credit. And in the fourth step, we have a trading account to know the gross profit and gross profit or loss of the business. And in the profit and loss account, to know the net profit. And in the balance sheet, to know the financial position of the business, like assets and liabilities. Thank you.
Thank you. Very good, Arshia. Afrin, it's appreciated. But try to increase the speed. Okay. If you
Okay.
revise many times, that will come as a fluent, right? Next is Mariam, please.
Yes, sir. Accounting cycle for trading business. There are steps in that. The first step is journal, in which it is a book where the daily transactions are recorded. And next is the ledger, second step, in which the various accounts are open. And the third step is trial balance. It is prepared to know the arithmetical accuracy of the business. A debit is equal to credit. And fourth step is trading account, to know the gross profit or loss of the business. Next, profit and loss account, to know the net profit or loss of the business. And balance sheet, and last is the balance sheet. It is prepared to know the financial position of the business.
Next, Farha.
Accounting cycle for trading business. There are four steps. First is journal, and second one is ledger and trial balance. Trading account and profit and loss account and balance sheet. First, first step is journal. We have enter the general entries and then ledgers, posting the open ledger. There are so many accounts are open and entries are posted. Trial balance is to know the arithmetical accuracy of the business and trading account. And then prepare trading account. Trading account to know the gross profit or loss on the product. Profit and loss account to know the net profit or net loss of the business. And balance sheet to know the financial position of the business. That's it.
Next. Next, Saishta. Thank you, Farah. Saishta.
Accounting cycle of trading business has 4 steps. First step is to prepare journal. In this, in this, it is a book where daily transactions are recorded. Second step is ledger. It is also a book where each and every transaction is recorded separately. Next is third step is trial balance. It is to know the arithmetical accuracy, and what we need to remember about this is debit and credit. Debit is said to be as left hand side and credit is said to be as right hand side. After that, in fourth step, it involves trading account. Trading account is to know the gross profit of a product, and profit and loss account. Profit and loss account is made to know the net profit of a business. Next, balance sheet is made. Balance sheet is made to know the financial position of the business concerned.
Okay. Hope फिर अपने कौन थे अर्शिया now please. Arshia, we they don't think that we are targeted at something. We heard that you are non-commerce. Just we are focusing more on you in the batch. Okay, we are focusing more on you. So if you come on and you can re-explain again, you got a time and you understood how others are explaining. Try to explain again. Arshia,
Yes, sir.
please.
In this, yes, sir. In this accounting cycle, we have a trading business.
Very good.
In this trading business, we have some steps like journal, ledger, and trial balance. In this trial balance, we have few more steps like trading account, profit and loss, and balance sheet.
Very good.
In this trading account, we come to know the gross profit or loss of the business. Uh, Loss of the business or product.
Very
In
good.
this profit and loss account, to know the net profit and loss of the business.
Okay.
And in this balance sheet, we come to know the financial position of the business, like assets and liabilities.
Assets and
Assets
liabilities.
and liabilities. Uh, yes.
Very good. Thank you. So now you people are given me a list of 25 items, right? So if you learn this accounting cycle, you can prepare accounts for pharmacies, you can prepare accounts for groceries. What is the list is there? We'll not learn those many accountings. We learn a system. We'll try to learn these systems, how to prepare a journal, how to prepare a ledger, how to prepare a trial balance, how to prepare a trading and profit and loss account and the balance sheet. That's it. Basically, if you people learn this system, you can prepare accounts for any trading business. This is the way of simplifying the method of learning. If you start learning accounting for a grocery, if you start accounting for learning for a supermarket, like this, there's a various lakhs of business varieties of activities are there. So that's why simply we will do, if we get a client, now you are the accountant, if we get a client, so immediately we will decide what is the activity and immediately we'll prepare, okay, we need to prepare journal, we need to prepare ledger, we need to prepare trial balance, so give me this. Okay, this is our syllabus. अपने को यही 5 स्टेप सीखना है इसमें. ओके, अपने को यही 5 स्टेप सीखना है. This is our target for the trading business. Now let's see the next business is our next business. We'll see. Okay. Our next business is, so hope the trading business we got an idea. Okay, this is our next 60 sessions. Mein हम यही सीखने वाले हैं, तो विल गेट मोर एंड मोर क्लैरिटी, 100% क्लैरिटी we'll get on these things, because this is our target. So every day this is our life for next 60 days, next 60 sessions. Okay. फर्स्ट दिन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वी अंडरस्टूड द वोकैबुलरी, टर्मिनोलॉजी मालूम हो गया अपने को कैसा करना है, दैट इज आवर सिलेबस. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज अ नॉन ट्रेडिंग बिजनेस. For the non-trading business, step 1 is same, journal. Step 2 is ledger. Step 3 is receipts and payments. Step 4 is income and expenditure and balance sheet. See, here no need to learn again journal. Journal is same in the trading business and non-trading business. Ledger is same in the trading business and non-trading business. We have to learn here receipts and payments instead of trial balance. Right? In the trading business, we are learning a trial balance. Here we are learning a receipts and payments. And income and expenditure, instead of trading and profit and loss account, in the non-trading business, we'll prepare a income and expenditure, and the balance sheet is same. Simple. Means we need to take a one business as a base. In the next thing, only receipts, and in the non-trading, only we need to understand receipts and payments and income and expenditure. Hope understood. Now we'll start with Saishta. Can you explain me the accounting cycle for the non-trading business?
Accounting cycle for non-trading business. In this, the steps are similar to trading business. First is journal. Journal is a book where transactions are recorded. Ledger is prepared in the second step. This is also a book where separate accounts are made. The third step, which is different from trading account, that is receipts and payment in non-trading business. We concentrate on receipts and payments here. Next, step 4 is income and expenses are recorded. After that, balance sheet is.
Okay. Next, Arshia. Come back to Arshia.
Yes, sir. In this accounting cycle, next business is non-trading. In this non-trading, we have three steps: journal, ledger, and this third step is receipts and payments. From these receipts and payments, we have more two steps: income and expense. Next, balance sheet.
Very good. Farah.
In this income and expense,
Okay.
thank you.
Same thing. Just we are trying to understand the cycle. Purpose is same. Okay. Farah.
Accounting cycle for non-trading business.
Mhm.
Accounting cycle for non-trading business. That is, two steps are same. That is journal and ledger. Next, we have to prepare receipts and payments account, receipts and payment account, and uh, then after income and expenditure, that balance sheet.
Afrin. Thank you, Farah. Afrin.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Uh,
Start.
Accounting cycle for non-trading business. So we have same steps. Two steps are same like trading business, journal and ledger, and the third step is recipients and the payments, and the fourth step is income and expenses and balance sheet.
Thank you. Next, Mariam.
Yes, accounting cycle for non-trading business. First step is journal. Second step is ledger. Third step is receipts and payments. Fourth step is income and expense. And last is balance sheet.
So, ये सब्सिडरी बुक्स कुछ दुश्मनी करी क्या आप लोगों से? सबसे सब्सिडरी बुक्स को याद नहीं कर रहे कोई भी? Why you people are not, the between the journal and ledger there is a one more step called subsidiary books. Is common in all three businesses. Okay. Now next I am jumping on to the next step. Okay, on the manufacturing business, the third one. So come to the manufacturing business. Okay. So see the same steps: journal, ledger, trial balance, trading and profit and loss on balance sheet, and one more extra account will add here manufacturing account. That's it. तो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग अकाउंट में फिर पूरा नहीं सीखते. द लर्निंग, दिस इज अ स्मार्ट वे ऑफ लर्निंग. Okay, and the Axis is a platform where we are giving you a simple method of learning an accounting cycle. So you don't worry about that, because no one don't knows that where you will get a job, where from where the client will come, which business. So we are trying to give you a base for a system. If you know the system, you can do accounting. See manufacturing में क्या करते हैं अपन? Again we learn journal, again we learn trial balance, ledger. No, here we'll focus only on manufacturing account. This is the beauty of this subject. This is the easiest subject if you try to learn in a smart way. In a smart way. See, this is our syllabus. We are trying to understand the accounting cycle. देखो, accounting cycle for trading business में we'll spend 30 sessions. एक accounting system समझ में आ गया, rest is same. Only the confusion is the activity. अपना clear है 100%. Hope में all the students are very clear in identifying the nature of business. If not, we are going to give you a assignment on that. There will be an exam after completion of the chapter. So in the exam, I will understand what is the wrong answers, why they done wrong, what is there, by discussing. Okay, that's why we are starting this every Tuesday, and maybe Saishta, the coordinator, she will inform you people. We are available on every Monday. Saishta, what is the schedule?
Tuesday and Thursday, the recordings will be sent 9 to 10. Sir will be available for doubt clearing.
Morning 8 to 10. I'm available.
Morning 8.
On Tuesday and Thursday.
Dubai timing.
Yeah, Dubai timing. I'm available for you people. If you have any doubts, if you have not understood anything, I'm there on a weekly 2 days to help you more. So hope you people will use this platform to get settled within 60 days. Okay, after sessions. Next is, now, is there any doubt for the manufacturing? No doubt. No, I'm not asking even, because already we repeated 2 times. Now we'll jump on to our last topic, is the comparison between the trading, non-trading, manufacturing business. So here, please try to read what is the difference. So trading business is journal, ledger, trial balance, trading and profit and loss account, and the balance sheet. Non-trading में journal, ledger, instead of trial balance there is a receipt and payment. There is no trading account in the non-trading business, right? And the instead of profit and loss account, we are preparing the income and expenditure. Balance sheet is the same. In the manufacturing business, yes, the journal, ledger, and one extra step is coming: manufacturing account, then the trial balance, trading and profit and loss account, balance sheet is the same. Hope all my students got 100% clarity on the accounting systems for the three businesses. Clear? Please write down. Try to make a
Yes.
note and see the subsidiary books are there on every business. Subsidiary, what is subsidiary book? Why we will prepare? How we will prepare? That is our chapter. That will come in further classes. But अभी अपना target क्या है? We need to learn how to prepare a journal. Then how to prepare a ledger, how to prepare a trial balance, how to prepare a trading account, how to prepare a profit and loss. This is our syllabus. Any doubts on these accounting cycles? Understood the difference? Understood the steps?
Yes, sir.
5 steps है, सिंपल 6 steps है, 5 steps है, थोड़े थोड़े फैकल्टी 4 steps बोलते, थोड़े फैकल्टी 3 बोलते. क्यों बोलते? ट्रायल बैलेंस में से विल प्रिपेयर ट्रेडिंग, उसमें से ही बनता. मतलब इफ यू डू ए मिस्टेक, विल प्रिपेयर फर्स्ट जर्नल, Based on the journal, we'll prepare ledger. Based on the ledger, we'll prepare trial balance, interlink रहता. If you do mistake in the journal, the mistake will go to the ledger, the mistake will go to the trial balance, the mistake will go to the profit and loss account balance sheet, and your analysis will go wrong. Your financial position will give you a wrong figure. Your profit and loss account will give you a wrong figure. Right? This is the importance. सिंपल है नहीं है, कुछ टफ दिख रहा आप लोगों को अभी तक? कुछ टफ दिख रहा? Students, please participate.
No, sir.
No,
No, sir,
It
everything
is
till now.
clear.
Clear.
okay. It's very simple, right?
No, sir. Clear.
Okay. So let us take an overview in a very. I'm stopping a presentation because let us focus on the presenter. So, are you able to see the screen, everyone? Okay. We'll try to revise from the beginning. How I'm explaining now, I want you the same way by inshallah by Tuesday or next Wednesday or Sunday. No stress. Take your time and practice. Now I'm starting from the day one of our classes. So we started these classes to understand the tally is a accounting package, and if you are trying to learn the tally, tally is equals to accounts plus computers. Accounts means language of the business. Language means it is a medium of communication, and business means it is a place where the economic transactions are taken place. Economic means money, transactions means daily activities of the business. Here, after definition of the business, we understood there are three types of businesses: trading business, non-trading business, and the manufacturing business. Trading business means buying the finished product and selling to the customers, means buying and selling activities where it will take that is called as a trading business. The objective of the trading business to earn the profit. Profit means excess of income over the expenditure. Income means amount earned against the product or against the service. Expenditure means amount incurred against the product or against the service. Okay. Next is non-trading business. Non-trading business means services providing business is called as a non-trading business. In the non-trading business, the activity is we are buying the services and we are selling and we are providing services to the customers. The objective of this non-trading business is to develop the society. Next is develop the society. And the third one is the manufacturing business. Here we'll buy the raw material, we'll process, we'll convert the raw material into the finished product, and we'll sell it to the market or sell it to the customer. The objective of the manufacturing business is to earn the profit. Now, the objective of the profit, objective of the all the businesses comes to understand the profitability of the financial position of the business. Then how can we understand? For that purpose, we need to complete certain steps. We need to complete the accounting cycle. Here, for every business is having a separate accounting cycle. Okay. For the trading business, the accounting cycle is the step one, we are preparing the journal. From the journal, step two, we are preparing the ledger. Based upon the ledger, we are preparing the trial balance. Based upon the trial balance, we are preparing the trading and profit and loss account and the balance sheet. Here, we are preparing the balance sheet to know the financial, to understand the financial position of the business. So, the financial position of the business, the factors to decide the financial position of the business is depends upon the assets and the liabilities. Asset means again the revenue generating property of the business. The liability means the obligation of the business. If assets are more than the liabilities, the financial position of the business is good. To predict, that's it. Next is trading account, profit and loss account. Here we are preparing the profit and loss account to understand the net loss or a net profit of the business. We are preparing the trading account to understand the profit or loss on the product, and we are preparing the trial balance to understand the arithmetical accuracy. How we can understand the arithmetical accuracy? To arithmetical accuracy, we will use debit and credit concepts to check the arithmetical accuracy. What is the meaning of debit? The left hand side of account is called as debit. The right hand side of account is called as credit. And before the trial balance, we'll prepare the ledger. Ledger means it is a statement we will prepare to understand the arithmetical, sorry, ledger. It is a book where the various accounts are opened, or we can say the classification of the accounts will be done, or a summary of the transactions will be taken place. And the journal will, it is a book where every transaction will record in the book of called journal. Means this is also called as a primary entry book. Okay, this is the entry book, means first entry. Primary book is called as a journal. Okay, and between the journal and ledger, we'll prepare the subsidiary books that nowadays it is calling as a MAS system. MAS reports means management information sheet. See, the subsidiary books will not help in any accounting cycle. That is coming as separate. That's why it's called as a subsidiary books. Okay, that is only for the management information sheet, that will not help in the flow of accounting cycle. This is about a trading business. Come to the non-trading business. The accounting cycle for the non-trading business is: step one is the journal, step two is the ledger, step three is the we will prepare the receipts and payments account instead of the trial balance, and we'll prepare the receipts and payment ledger account instead of trading and profit and loss account. And the balance sheet is the same in the non-trading business. Now come to the manufacturing business. Is the same: the journal, the ledger, the trial balance, trading and profit and loss account, and extra step we will prepare, that is called as a manufacturing business. This is our syllabus. So this is the flow. What we are discussing from couple of days in a number of hours of classes, this is the summary, right? So the sessions of first day and the live sessions, see the summary. If we practice what we learn, we nothing, we learned only the syllabus. सिलेबस हम क्या सीखना चाह रहे हैं वही सीखे इतने क्लासेस में. Okay, now the subject will start from the next classes, next sessions, but I want a complete attention. Without knowing syllabus, starting the classes, there is no meaning, right? इसको लिखो, आप लोग चार्ट्स बनाना स्टार्ट करो, राइट? अकाउंटिंग साइकिल के स्टेप्स डालो, प्रैक्टिस राइटिंग. क्यों मतलब दिमाग में पूरे बात नहीं रहते, अभी पहला पहला अभी पढ़ना स्टार्ट कर रहे, राइट? सो पूरा याद है बोल के रहता, बट जब सार पूछते दिमाग में से निकल जाता. ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स होते रहते, यानी पूरा पक्का पंडू पढ़ लेके आते, बट अगेन कम टू दी प्रेजेंट करने की जब कोशिश कर रहे, अगेन दैट विल बी स्मॉल थिंग्स विल कम. So is there any student is ready to repeat the full accounting, full class from tally to manufacturing business, like how I repeated? Is anyone ready?
Shall I, sir?
Yes, why not, please.
From the beginning, from the tally, sir.
Yes.
Tally means accounts plus computer, and here accounts means it is a language of business. And shall I explain everything, sir? Language, business, everything.
Go ahead. How you want? It's a detail is more better to get clarity. We are also learning like different words and different vocabularies, different thinking is coming. So take it as everything is as a learning. So please go ahead in detail. We have time. We requested for 2 hours. Okay. So we concluded this within 1 hour 20 minutes. Still we have time. We are here for 2 hours. We're not going to leave any girl without participating in the class. So Aisha, please continue.
Okay. So here accounts means it is the language of business, and if we see what is the language, it is the medium of communication. And coming to the business, it is the place where the economic transactions are taking place. And economic means money. Transactions means daily activities of the business. And here uh, we have different types of businesses. Like we have three types of business. That is, first one is trading business, non-trading business, and manufacturing business. Trading business. In the trading business, we are directly selling the product from the person or from the vendor, and sorry, buying a product from a person or from the vendor and selling it to the customer or to the person. Here in this trading business, we are directly buying and selling the finished product. Uh, and coming to the non-trading business, in this non-trading business, we are selling the services, means we are providing the services. Maybe we are taking the service from the provider and giving to the receiver or to the customer, or directly we are providing the service. Means a non-trading business involves providing service to the customers, and the main objective is to develop the society. So the main objective of the trading business was to develop, to earn the profit, and the main objective of the non-trading business is to develop the society. Third business is manufacturing business. In this manufacturing business, what we are doing is that we are buying the raw materials from the person or from the market, and that raw materials are, after undergoing a process, it will come out into a finished product, and that finished product or finished good we are direct.
No problem. So it's a fresh link. You can continue.
Okay.
Thank you.
When going through the types of businesses like trading business, non-trading, and manufacturing business, we have this profit, income, and expenditure. So first, let's see what is profit. Is my voice audible, sir?
Yes, yes, yes. Perfectly. Yes.
Okay. Profit means it is the excess of income over the expenditure. And income is whatever the amount we are earned against the to against making a product or to providing a service. And expenditure is the amount we incur to make a product or to provide a service. So these three terms we come across these types of businesses. And as I have told you about the three types of businesses, and the main objective of the manufacturing business is to earn the profit. And in this manufacturing business, as I said, that directly we are buying the raw materials from the market or from the vendor, and undergoing a process, means changing the raw materials and making into a finished product. So in these two factors are important, that the
Name.
nature of the product and the name of the product has to be changed in the manufacturing process.
Yes.
Next, we are going to see the accounting cycle for trading business. In this, we have different steps. The first step is a journal. Second is ledger. Third is a trial balance, and this trial balance we have saving account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Between the journal and ledger, we prepare the subsidiary book. So let's see what is the journal. It is a place where the daily transactions of the business are recorded, and in the ledger, it is also a book where the various accounts are open, and that entries also been entered into the ledger. And coming to the trial balance, here, to know the arithmetic accuracy of the correct calculations of the account, we are going to use this trial balance. And this in this trial balance, we have what two factors are like responsible to check the arithmetic accuracy, that is the debit and credit. So debit is written on the left side of the account, and credit is written on the right side of the account. And in this accounts, we are going to prepare this account in a T form. Right hand side is the credit, and left hand side is the debit. And next one is again in the trading account, it is you in the trading account is used to know the gross profit or loss of the product. And the profit and loss account, we are going to know the net profit or loss of the business. And the next one is balance sheet. So to know the financial position or status of the business, we are going to use the balance sheet. So in this balance sheet, we check the balance sheet with the help of assets and liabilities. Assets means it is the revenue generating property of the business. Example, we can take it as the building, and liability is the obligation or responsibility of the business.
Okay.
And next we have the second type of accounting cycle for the second type of business, non-trading business, is we have step one, we have the journal, same as where we are preparing the entries and posting it. And the second one, ledger, it is a place where we write the different accounts. And third one is receipts and payments. In the receipts and payments, we have income and expenses. And the last balance sheet is same. And in the coming to the manufacturing account, we have the journal, ledger, and after ledger, we are preparing a manufacturing. And next we have the receipts and payments and income expenses and balance. Uh, trial balance. Here I got confused. I think so.
Extra one step we need to prepare.
Sir, after
Manufacturing.
yeah, manufacturing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is about the total accounting cycle for three types of businesses.
Thank you. Thank you very much and appreciated.
Thank you, sir.
So the summary, how many presentations I prepared, how many PPTs I prepared to bring you on to this paper now. What is showing on the screen? It's only one document.
Account.
Okay, what is the meaning of account? It's a language of the business. So we clearly demonstrated here profit means, revenue means, expense means, asset means, liability means, debit, credit, business, economic. This word document are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the summary of our previous three long sessions. This is the summary, and you people can take a printout of this. And not always, taking a printout is advisable. Always it is advisable to prepare a notes with your hand. Okay, और कोई है जो एटलीस्ट कितना भी ट्राई एटलीस्ट ट्राई भी करे ना. सो समरी है अभी दिख रही भी स्क्रीन पे देख देख के भी पढ़ सकते यू नो एनीवन साई स्टार.
Sir, one doubt.
Yes, yes, please.
Actually, I forgot. That's why I'm asking you. So, in the manufacturing business, after ledger, we have the manufacturing account,
Yeah, where we have
and
to
then we
prepare.
have the.
After manufacturing account
Sorry,
only,
sir?
after manufacturing account we'll prepare the trial balance and rest of the things. Okay.
Okay, sir. You clear. Thank you.
Yes, so this is a basic level. When we start preparing, we are not training you the flow of just we are linking with the steps. Okay, so that will be prepared in factory. Manufacturing account, who will prepare, where it will be prepared in the factory, right? Practically it's in the factory. So और कोई है स्टूडेंट्स? Farah, Saishta, Mariam, Arshia, Afreen, who will try to at least try to start. बेहोश हो गए क्या सब लोग?
Okay, sir.
Okay, please at least try, right? So
What is tally? First, what is tally? Let's say what is tally? It is accounts plus computerized. Account means it is a business language. And business means where the economic transactions are taken place for profit motive. And language is a medium of communication. Computerized. Why everything is computerized? To enhance the speed, accuracy, and to reduce the time limit. So that's why accounts plus computerized is used. And in this accounts, there are three types of businesses. First is trading business, non-trading business, and manufacturing business. Trading business. What is trading? Trading business is based on profit motive. Buyers and sellers are involved in it. And non-trading, it is to render the services. And the main aims in this, the receiver is involved, and the provider. Next, manufacturing business. In manufacturing business, the main motive is to earn profit, but the raw materials are processed and then finished products is given in this manufacturing business. Next, why for every business there is a cycle. Trading business cycle. In trading business cycle, first we prepare journals. Journal is a book of accounts where all the day-to-day transactions are recorded. After journal, the second step is ledger. And this is also a book where separate account is prepared. Separate account is prepared for every transaction. After journal, ledger, then the third is trial balance. Trial balance is to know the arithmetical accuracy of the business. After trial balance, we prepare trading profit and loss account. In trading profit and loss account, we know the gross profit of a product. Next, after getting gross profit, we prepare profit and loss account where we know the net profit of a business. Then after that, we prepare a balance sheet. Why balance sheet is prepared? To know the financial position of the business concern. Next, the non-trading concern life cycle. So in this life cycle, the first is journal, ledger, then receipts and payments are made. Receipts and payments is the basic difference of trading and non-trading account. After receipts and payments, next the balance sheet is made. Is it correct, sir? Balance sheet is made, right?
Yes. The
For
final step is the
non-trading also balance sheet is made.
yes, balance sheet is a common everywhere.
After this, yeah. For after receipts and payments, balance sheet is made. Then in terms of manufacturing
No,
account,
not
same
after,
the
not
journal,
after, sorry,
ledger,
sorry, not after
sir.
receipts and payments will not prepare balance sheet. From the receipts and payments, will prepare income and expenditure and the balance sheet. So you forgot income and
Income and
expenditure.
expenditure after balance.
Yes.
Okay. We prepare income and expenditure account, then balance sheet in non-trading life cycle. In manufacturing business life cycle, first we prepare journal, then ledger, then say manufacturing account, then trading profit and loss account and balance sheet. Between journal and ledger, there is a subsidiary book, and that's it, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, anyone. Next, Koyai. No problem. आज नहीं तो ट्यूसडे, नहीं तो थर्सडे, नहीं तो नेक्स्ट संडे. But number तो आता सबका. Be ready for that. Okay. There's so dare. You need to dare it. This is the place of doing mistakes. Right. This is a learning place. Do mistake. We are there to rectify. But once you join the job, if you do mistake, no financial position will give wrong figure. Profit and loss account will give wrong figure. Then the business will have some problems. So always try to, apply the subject. Hope today the class is very interactive, and hope all the students at least understood 5 to 10% what we explained today. I'm not expecting 100% you will receive. If you receive, good, but here understanding 10 to 15% is more than enough, because now we'll start journal. So we'll spend a lot of time in journal. Okay, most next 10 to 15 sections will be journal, because that is common in all businesses. right? Ledger will spend some time. Then khalas, once the ledger is finished, we'll start simultaneously running the tally sessions as well as the other statement sessions. And after ledger subsidiary books, then we will convert the method from manual to computerized को कैसा लेके जाना है, how to convert in a manual accounting system. Now you are learning in manual, you have to write an entry on the pen paper. Then with the logic, there is a one logic is a good logic of an axis. Okay, by implementing, running a lot of batches, coming with the experience, like based on our experience is totally credit goes to students like you people, right? Who will join here, and you people will make us to work hard, right? To give you the presentations. Okay, so more clear, and we'll appreciate your presence today, and hope we'll see you again on Tuesday, and again live class. Maybe next schedule next Saturday will be not, there is no live class. After this, hope you got all the overview of the syllabus. So next class will be on Tuesday or Thursday live session. If so, confirm, discuss everything with the Saista, because so every Sunday and Saturday we are shifting to other classes. So this batch will be continued on the recorded sessions and the live discussions, something on the on our schedule. So what we decided, which days I don't know. Saista is there. So any doubts or anything, we are there to help you on the coming Tuesday and Thursday. Thank you very much. Have a good day, and good Sunday, right? So thank you. All the best.